Hi, and welcome to the Fizz eye mask instructional video. Let me show you what's inside the box. You'll get one Fizz eye mask, one Type-C charging cable, one filling bottle, and one instruction manual. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Fizz eye mask. First, you're going to want to remove the soft rubber plug from the top. After removing the soft rubber plug, add an appropriate amount of atomizing liquid using the filling bottle. Make sure the added amount is no more than 8 milliliters. Once added, close the soft rubber plug again. Next, take the hydrogen intake hose and connect it to the hydrogen inlet port of a hydrogen generator like this one, making sure your hydrogen generator is turned on. Now you can start using your product. You can turn this product on by pressing the power button for 2 seconds.
Power on.
If you want to turn the device off, just press the power button for 2 seconds.
Power off.
There are 4 available modes on the Fizz eye mask: the eye moisturizing mode, realization mode, bedtime mode, and cold compress mode. To access these modes, simply press the function button. To access the eye moisturizing mode, press the function button once.
Eye moisturizing mode.
To access realization mode, press the function button again.
Relaxation mode.
To access bedtime mode, press the function button a 3rd time.
Bedtime mode.
And to access cold compress mode, press the function button a 4th time.
Cold compress mode.
To turn off the device, simply press the power button for 2 seconds.
Power off.
Just like that. And that's it. Thank you for listening to our Fizz eye mask instructional video.